Best sewing machines. Are you looking for the best sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother HC 1850. The Brother HC 1850 is the perfect sewing companion for at-home sewers who value both convenience and versatility. This user-friendly computerized sewing machine is ideal for beginners but also powerful enough to handle advanced projects, making it a standout choice for hobbyists and enthusiasts alike. Reviewers rave about its simplicity, with one tester saying, "I can't get over how easy it is to operate," and another highlighting its straightforward stitch setup compared to other models. Boasting 185 built-in stitches and 8 buttonhole styles, the HC 1850 ensures you'll find the perfect stitch for every project. The digital display features easy-to-read numerals, simplifying stitch selection and customization. With a maximum stitch width of 7 mm and a maximum stitch length of 5 mm, this machine offers greater adjustability than many competitors, giving you more creative freedom. The one-step buttonhole function makes creating buttonholes fast and simple, especially on standard fabrics like cotton. While it may be less precise on stretch fabrics, the overall performance is excellent. Additional features include an automatic bobbin winder and a stitching speed of up to 850 stitches per minute, combining efficiency with quality. Whether you're sewing clothing, home decor, or crafts, the Brother HC 1850 provides a reliable, versatile, and affordable solution for almost any project. With its combination of ease of use, customization, and impressive stitch options, it's a must-have for both new and experienced sewers. Number 2. Brother CS 5055. The Brother CS 5055 is an excellent entry-level sewing machine designed for beginners who want a reliable, easy-to-use, and budget-friendly option. Throughout testing, users consistently praised its simple setup and intuitive operation. Numbered instructions guide you through threading and bobbin placement, making it perfect for those new to sewing or looking for a hassle-free experience. Featuring 60 built-in stitches and 7 buttonhole styles, the CS 5055 provides everything needed for basic sewing, mending, and craft projects. While it doesn't offer the extensive options of higher-end machines, its stitch quality is consistently high across a variety of fabrics, ensuring professional-looking results. The computerized interface is straightforward, and even without a backlit display, settings are easy to read and adjust. Additional features include an automatic bobbin winder and a maximum sewing speed of 750 stitches per minute, giving you efficiency and control. The buttonhole function produces above-average results, and the machine handles everyday fabrics with ease. While it may struggle slightly with zippers or heavier fabrics, these are minor drawbacks for beginners or casual users. If you're starting your sewing journey or need a dependable machine for light alterations, the Brother CS 5055 is a smart, cost-effective choice. It combines simplicity, quality, and value, making sewing fun and approachable for beginners. Number 3. Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist. Unleash your creativity with the Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist, a feature-packed sewing machine designed for experienced sewers who crave versatility and performance. With 600 built-in stitches and 13 buttonhole styles, this machine lets you explore endless decorative and functional possibilities. From intricate embroidery to complex garment construction, the Quantum Stylist has the tools to elevate your sewing projects. Equipped with a well-designed automatic thread cutter and bright work lighting, this machine makes precision sewing easier than ever. Its computerized controls ensure smooth operation, while the automatic bobbin winder and a maximum sewing speed of 850 stitches per minute keep your workflow efficient. The 9960 excels in challenging tasks like zippers, multi-layer denim, and blind hems, earning high marks in professional testing. While this machine offers exceptional customization, it is best suited for users with sewing experience. Some adjustments, like tension settings, may require fine-tuning, and the needle threading and bobbin winding are moderately intuitive. The instruction manual, though detailed, requires careful navigation. For sewers ready to embrace its full potential, the Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist delivers an impressive combination of stitch variety, performance, and quality. Whether you're embellishing with decorative stitches or creating durable garments, this machine empowers you to take your projects to the next level. Dream big, stitch beautifully, and let your creativity shine with the Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist. Specifications: 600 built-in stitches, 13 buttonhole styles, automatic bobbin winder, max speed 850 SPM, computerized. Number 4. Janome HD 1000 Black Sewing Machine. Discover the perfect blend of durability, reliability, and simplicity with the Janome HD 1000 mechanical sewing machine. Designed for both beginner and experienced sewers, this machine is built to handle a wide variety of home sewing projects with ease. Unlike most modern machines that use plastic bodies, the HD 1000 features a robust aluminum construction, giving it exceptional strength and stability. This solid metal build ensures smooth operation even under heavy-duty stitching, making it feel reliable and long-lasting. Weighing approximately 17 pounds, the Janome HD 1000 strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for small spaces, allowing you to conveniently store it in tight closets or move it around your home without hassle. Whether you're sewing clothing, home decor, or quilting projects, this machine delivers consistent performance that inspires confidence with every stitch. Equipped with 14 preset stitches, including a buttonhole, the HD 1000 provides everything you need for everyday sewing. From straight stitching to decorative options, it covers the essentials for home sewing, alterations, and creative projects. Its intuitive mechanical controls make it easy to select stitches, adjust tension, and guide fabric, ensuring precise and professional results. The Janome HD 1000 is not just a sewing machine, it's a reliable companion for any sewer who values quality, durability, and versatility. Experience the satisfaction of sewing on a metal machine that combines power, precision, and long-term performance, all in a compact, user-friendly design perfect for any home. Number 5. Bernette 05 Academy. The Bernette 05 Academy mechanical sewing machine is an ideal choice for beginners and casual sewers who want a reliable, portable, and user-friendly machine. With 30 built-in stitches, including basic, decorative, and functional options, it gives you the flexibility to tackle a variety of sewing projects, from everyday repairs to creative crafts. Its straightforward mechanical controls make selecting stitches and adjusting settings intuitive, perfect for those just starting out or who prefer simplicity over complexity. Weighing just around 15 pounds, the Bernette 05 is highly portable, making it perfect for on-the-go sewing. It even comes with a convenient rolling suitcase, allowing you to take your machine anywhere, whether visiting friends, traveling, or moving between rooms in your home. Despite its compact size, it's engineered for durability and smooth operation, giving you professional quality results without taking up much space. One of the most praised features of the Bernette 05 is its quiet operation. You can sew in shared spaces without disturbing others, making it an excellent choice for apartments, family homes, or open living areas. Its minimalistic interface keeps the focus on your creativity, eliminating the distractions of overly complicated settings while still providing versatility for all your sewing needs. Reliable, lightweight, and versatile, the Bernette 05 Academy mechanical sewing machine combines portability, ease of use, and quality craftsmanship. It's perfect for beginners, hobbyists, or anyone who values a compact, quiet, and efficient sewing companion that delivers consistent performance wherever life takes you.